Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is a Formula E car by Mahindra Racing, and this is by Majorette. So I bought this for I think 515, yeah, 515 rupees. So let's unbox and see how this one looks. Okay. The presentation is really beautiful. Okay, so here is the collector's box, which is just a standard cardboard box. Okay, so if you remember guys, we unboxed the Geox Dragon. So this one is by Mahindra. So the casting looks really beautiful. So again, okay, I think, yeah. So this part entirely, these are made of metal, and this one is plastic here. And this splitter, I think, yeah, that is also plastic. It's just painted here, but it is actually plastic. So the detailings are really great here, as you can see. This looks really nice. I'm really glad I actually bought this, Formula E cars. So here actually the wheels are, the tires are made of rubber. It's not made of plastic, it's made of rubber. It looks really nice. It actually looks really beautiful. You can easily keep, this in showcase, and it will look beautiful. Specifically, Majorette is doing all these things for like somewhere around 500 to 600 rupees, which is really a good thing. Okay, let's do a roll test. Okay, it rolls fast, but it does have a lot of wheel wobble. As you can see, the rear wheel wobbles a lot. The entire car actually shakes like this. See, okay, it is not a model to play with, but it is a really good model. You can keep it in your showcase, and this will look really beautiful. For a second, it feels like a Batman car. It's beautiful, man. It's really beautiful. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And it would be great help if you guys subscribe and support me. So consider subscribing and sharing. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.